more efforts and abilities in all sectors of the economies, right? So they have history. And Donghua University, they don't, the university, it doesn't have any, I think not more than 100 years old, history. So it takes time to develop its, personnel or graduates to reach on that position or overall, majority of the sectors of the economy, right? So that's why chance also matters. So chances also play a role. For example, chance to get admission in a well-renowned institution which has a history, and history doesn't mean that history prove that people are getting higher salary. No, that history which prove that its graduates are smart, intelligent, and able, and they put a lot of efforts so that they are successful, right? So if the salaries are, two people are not getting the same salary because number one, maybe compensating differentials, good job, bad job. Second, the two people are not getting the same salary because one is graduated and one is non-graduate. The two people are getting not the same salary. The third one is ability, effort, and chance. Fourth one is, okay, before the fourth one, let's talk about this concept checker. If you understand the all three, let's talk about this concept checker. So pause the video and read all this concept checker and try to give the answer, and then we are going to match the answer. So working in a slaughterhouse is much riskier and more unpleasant than working in a bookstore. As a result, we would expect a difference in wages between the two jobs. The difference is known as
B, compensating differential.
well done, right? So two are getting the same salary? No, because one is riskier and one is easy job. So we can explain that. So there is no discrimination here. Now pause the video and try to read this concept checker and guess the answer here. So if a worker is indifferent between a job with a wage of $12 per hour and a job with a wage of $15 per hour, then please read that one.
Is it C?
Some say I heard the word C. How about others? Miria? Spike?
Yeah, I said C.
David?
My choice of side was going to be A or C, but I'm not too sure specifically what it's trying to suggest.
Oh, sorry, I just pressed. Okay, so we are confused between A and C. Okay, we will talk about every option here. So a higher paying job enjoys a compensating wage differential of 3 per hour. So what is the difference between the wages? $3. So $3 is good. What it says? It says higher paying job. So it means that wage which is paying you $15, it enjoys the compensation differential. Why? Because a worker is indifferent, which means all the job characteristics are the same. But one guy is getting $12 and another guy is getting $15. It means one job is riskier than the other. And that raised or that differential is due to compensating differential. So A is the answer. What about B? Higher paying job enjoys a compensating differential of 15? No. The difference is 3, not the 15. B cannot be the answer. C. Higher paying job is intrinsically more attractive. So we talked about that the higher job is riskier. Bad job. So people want bad jobs or people want more easy, fun-oriented, safe jobs? Faik, David.
Yeah, I get that, but if you're just talking about wage alone, normally people
Well, this lower paying job is
naturally.
intrinsically more attractive than the higher paying on the basis of compensating differential, right? Because people want easy, fun-oriented, safe jobs, right? And those jobs would pay you less money. So that concept, higher the risk, higher the reward. So higher the risk, it means better the job, it means or worse the job or riskier the job, it means higher the salary. Right, guys? So any question regarding its authenticity, why we picked the A part? Clear?
Yeah.
Now, answer this question. Store clerks are known to have low wages. This is likely to be reflected the fact that
C.
okay, you say C.
Oh, actually no. I thought store clerk is another thing.
Which one is then?
Uh,
Please also participate in the answer here. Sunho, Hunjun Kim, Dijodi, Jacob, please also participate. Pinyo,
I think
Sir.
A.
D,
I say
A.
A.
Also A.
Well done, guys. So those who say A, good. Why? Because store clerks jobs are perceived to be relatively easy, right? Thus attracting low-skilled worker. You don't need to have a college degree to be a storekeeper or store clerk, right? B, store clerks jobs are perceived to be relatively difficult. Why? I don't think so. They need higher skilled people, rather dangerous people or dangerous job. No, B can never be the answer. How about C? Many people perceive the job of store clerk as having the element of danger. How? No way. D. Store clerks are required to have college degree. Name the degree which specializes in store clerk. No. Right? So only answer is A answer. Right? Okay, so there's a case study for your book, and you can just read that, The Benefits of the Beauty. It's page 418, and you can just read that over there. It's a very interesting case study. Okay, number 4 is signaling, which is the alternative view of education. You tell me, okay, let me give you the perspective. If I just read here, that would further confuses you. Okay, in human capital theory, what we discussed that more education, more salary. Right, guys? If you have college degree, your salary would be higher. If you have university degree, your salary would be even higher. Right? So what do you think so? If I am, I am working in medicine company, and I am working in its formulation, medicine formulation, right? And I'm just graduate with pharmacy degree or with medical chemistry degree, right? But I just have the bachelor degree, and if I involve myself in master's degree and my major is, for example, arts, painting, can I claim that I have a master degree and I would be given higher salary? Can I claim? Guys, I need your participation.
No.
Why? Because my core work is to formulate medicine, which I have the bachelor's degree, but I have now master degree in paintings. Does it mean that I am eligible to get salary of the master's equivalent person who did master's in medicine and I did master's in painting arts? Or to be, to make very, very simple, most people, they don't get what I'm trying to say, so I'll just give you another example. That is, I'm a finance manager in bank, right? So, and I want to be a CFO. After that one, I need promotion, or I need my salaries to be increased. But the bank said, you need to show your master degree. And I did masters in HR. So, do I qualify for CFO salary or to become a CFO? Or do I, qualify to be given, higher salary because I have a master degree? Answer is no. Then what qualifies me to get the higher salary? If I did my master degree in finance, right? Then I can qualify for, promotion, or can qualify for increase in salary, right? So the human capital theory or the human capital, explanation of increase in wages, it lacks some point. And the point is that the human capital theory or human capital perspective of getting higher salary says that more education means more salary. That's it. But signaling means so that education which improve your productivity. So for finance man